Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying on another half wig for you. This one is called Rainmaker from wigtypes.com and it's $15.94, guys. Because I don't know how to cornrow, I'm going to be threading my hair, and hopefully once I put a wig cap over it, it's going to lay flat enough for this wig. So if you're slightly interested, keep on watching.
On the track.
This wig has a yaki texture, so of course it blends seamlessly with natural hair. It also has 3 combs, which will ensure your wig does not go anywhere. Trust me, your wig will stay on your head. But yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.